Alright guys, so today we are going to be making the screen from paper modeling. So you're going to need a 2.5 by 4 inch rectangle. We're going to fold this forwards and backwards into quarters. So what that means is you're going to fold it in half. And then fold the halves in halves. Alright, so this is basically it. And it says you can decorate it and fill it out. I'm just going to draw a little decoration on here. Now if you're wanting to get in here, I recommend using an X-Acto knife and not scissors to get the pieces cut out. Here. There you go.